Hello everyone, I'm Kashika Narula from grade 10D, Lexicon International School, Kalyani Nagar. And today I have the code for the function of the button which I showed in the simple dialogue demo video last time. So here till now I have the design. I'll just run and show once. So it is a enter username button which we created as the name A. There is a username and an empty label. Then there's a password label and an empty label. So in the empty label, we will be adding the information which we will be gathering from the input user, the actual user. Like for now, I am the user who is entering all my password and stuff. So let me show you how this will look in the end. So run. It will look like this, a little like this, maybe different colors, in which we will be having a login button. When we click on it, we get this enter username option. I'll enter Kashika, and then an enter password option. I'll enter any password of my choice, but it will show it in stars. I entered my name and random numbers, so this is that. Now here I have a code of the button, the labels, and the pack. So let me show you how this works. Firstly, I will be going back to my original code. Here it is. Now collect info.pass. So instead of pass, I will delete this and I will write user ID. User ID equals to, it is a simple variable. So user ID equals to simple dialog, simple dialogue, simple dialog dot ask string, ask string bracket title title equals to login and prompt equals to enter username, enter enter username. Now here I will create another variable called pass. So password, password, password equals to simple dialog dot ask string, the same thing. Just instead of all this, I will I will show enter password, password, and I will also enter a new command. I will enter a new prompt called as show. So for the passwords, we need to show that star sign. So we will be showing that star. Show star. Now you might be wondering why I'm getting errors. So that is because I did not import simple dialog. So as I told you, from tkinter, usually maximum things import when we import star, but some things like simple dialog box or the radio button and check buttons, they do not import. So here I will have to import it from tkinter import simple dialog, simple dialog. Now here it will show me as a dialog, that's it. Simply simple dialog, that's it. There was a spelling error. Now I need to configure this user ID into my label over here, which is B. So I will be simply putting it as b.configure, b.config bracket text equals to, so the text should be equal to user ID, user ID. Similarly, I will also configure C, which is the password label. So c.config tab c dot config bracket text equals to password, pass password. So now when we run, it should all show me the code. But now I also need to show that after all of this, I need to show a new command or a new label which shows that your information has been saved successfully. So I'll create another label called saved, which equals to lab label. So this is lab code to show the final label, 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 label. So saved label bracket root, excuse me, bracket. So the container is the root. So root comma text equals to empty. T for now, and save dot pack, of course. Now we will over here create a new like a final variable. Final equals to, I will enter a text which is your information has been saved successfully. So I want this code to be configured after all of this. So after this, saved dot config bracket text equals to final. Text equals to final. So this is what the code basically looks like. I'll review it once again. So I'll just write over here what this def is for. This code of function is for the click of the button. Now when we run it, I'll see this enter information. When I click on it, I get this enter username. So I'll enter my username over here. Okay. And then when I enter password, it will show me in star. I enter just random numbers. So this is what I get, and your information has been saved successfully. So now you might see that I don't really like the layout of all this. So what I can do is, I can just, instead of this, I can write in BG and FG. So BG equals to, let's just put in red again, and FG is by default black. Here I want to put the BG as black and, excuse me, comma FG as red. Similarly, even in the password block, I want to do the same thing. So BG, so when I enter information and then, so your information has been successful. This looks better. Now what I'll do is, I will create another code over here to print all this. I'll create a button at first to ask if BUT. So this button will show that, do you want to save your dialogue, save your information in a other file. So it will show root comma text equals to, do you want to save, or do you want to copy, do you want to print, print your, do you want to print your information question mark, or let us just say print your information. Instead of a question, let's just put it print your information. Now we need to pack this, so but dot pack bracket. Now we'll add a command over here, comma command equals to click, click, and then we need to create another command over here, def click bracket inverted comma. So we need to print the user ID. I don't think this will happen because we need to print it before we need to call the user ID. So we'll just do it as global user ID and then global password. So now def dot click user ID, print user ID, print, and then print your user ID is user ID, your user ID is user ID, comma user ID, and then we will also print that your password is password. Control V, your password, PASSWORD, password is password. So now I will run this. I enter information my name as username 123, and then my password will be, let's just say, tkinter123 print. Okay, this is what I show, and there is a your information has been successfully saved, and print your information. When I click it, the password is not defined. That is because I added an extra space, I suppose. Now we will hash this for now. We'll just print password. So instead of that, we need to PASSWORD. PASSWORD. It was a spelling mistake. PASSWORD. Now it should run. Let me check if it's running. Run. Enter information. 1234 is my username. TKINTER1234 should be my password. So print your information, and then it prints over here your user ID is and your password is. So I hope you liked this code. I'll just show this code from start to bottom once again. So this is from Tkinter login sheet. This code is for the click of a button. Now all this and these are all the labels and the containers, and the root.main loop is always compulsory. So once again I'll show you the code from starting to line number 25 is our functions, and after that is our labels and containers. So thank you for watching this video with me. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned a lot of new things by learning with me on how to create a sign-in sheet by Simple Dialog demo. In this video I showed the functions. Thank you, have a nice day, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.